Hello, my dear students. Today we will solve practice set from chapter number 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles. Practice set 15, question number 1. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Dear students, kindly refer to page number 25 from your maths textbook for a clear picture. In our previous class, we have learned what is interior and exterior of an angle. So the points in the interior are those points which are neither on the arms nor in its exterior. The answer is point R, point N, point C and point X. Points in the exterior are those points which are neither on its arm nor in its interior. The answer is point T, point U, point Q, point V and point Y. Points on the arms of the angles. So here we have to look for the points which are on the arms of the angles. The answer is point A, point W, point G and point B. Question number 2. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure given below. We know that two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm and separate interiors are said to be adjacent angles. Keeping this in mind, let's write the answer. The pairs of adjacent angles are angle ANB and angle BNC. These two angles definitely have a separate interiors. They have a common vertex which is point N and also they have a common arm which is ray NB. Next, angle BNC and angle CNA. Third, angle CNA and angle ANB. All the three given angles are pairs of adjacent angles. Question 3. Are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. First, angle PMQ and angle RMQ. Angle PMQ and angle RMQ have separate interiors. They have a common vertex and they have a common arm. Hence, they are adjacent angles. Next, measure angle RMQ and measure angle SMR. The answer is they are not adjacent angles because they do not have a separate interiors. Now let's solve practice set 16. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. Here we have taken the fourth question, 55 degree. We have to find out the measure of the complementary angle. So let's assume the measure of the complementary angle as x degree. So we write it as, let the measure of the complementary angle of 55 degree be x degree. We know that the sum of the measures of the complementary angles is 90 degree. So we write it as 55 plus x is equal to 90. So we have to find out the value of x. X is equal to 90 minus 55. So the answer is 35 degree. And we write it as the complementary angle of 55 degree is 35 degree. Let's take the seventh example, x degree. So let us assume the measure of complementary angle of x degree to be y degree. So we write it as, let the measure of the complementary angle of x degree be y degree. Then x plus y is equal to 90 and we find out the value of y. Therefore y is equal to 90 minus x. The answer is the complementary angle of x degree is 90 minus x degree. Now let's solve the second question. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Here in this question they have given as y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angle. So we know that the sum of the measures of complementary angle is 90 degree. So we can start our solution by writing y minus 20 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. Now let's open the bracket. Y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90. Now we'll solve the equation. Here you can see 2y. So y plus y, 2y, minus 20 plus 30 gives us plus 10. So 2y plus 10 is equal to 90. 2y is equal to 90 minus 10. Therefore 2y is equal to 80. Now we find out the value of y. Therefore y is equal to 80 divided by 2. So the answer is 40. Now we find out the measures of each angle by using the value of y. So y minus 20 is equal to 40 minus 20. Here we have substituted the value of y. So the measure of first angle is 20. Second, y plus 30 is equal to, again we have substituted the value of y, which is 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. So the answer is, the measures of the angles are 20 degree and 70 degree respectively. So dear students, kindly solve practice set 15 and practice set 16 in your maths notebook. In our next video, we will solve practice set 17. Thank you.